a buy call and then we reversed our buy call to sell call. You can see in our blog website www.onlinecommoditytradingmcx.com. and we expected some selling in copper market, having 432 as a resistance and 433 as a stop loss. Let us see what happened yesterday. After the price opened around the zone, the market went again, it just dropped down and it again bounced back and tested this opening 430.5, and it couldn't stay there. Then we can see another drop and the market consolidated here for a long time. Then in the later session the market dropped down and it tested 428. This is the zone which we have mentioned in our previous presentation. This 428 was a very major support for copper market. This 428 to 426 is acting as a support for copper market, which is holding the buying. So after taking a support here, the market consolidated and you can see that how many bottoms it is forming in the support. So this 428 is seriously acting as a major support for copper market, and at last you can see a very long consolidation and then it closed around 430. This is the zone where the market closed. When we compare this yesterday's closing, that is which is around 430, and with the previous yesterday's opening, it is just below, that is very closely, it is just below the previous day's opening. And today also we are expecting copper to open around this 431 to 431.5. This is a zone where we are expecting copper to open around that. This 431 to 431.5. This is the zone we are expecting copper to open, which is just above the previous day's closing. And considering this opening and closing, we can say the market is just opening higher. And since we witnessed this 428, there is a lot of support around 428. Though there is a lot of support and there is a buying, but today we are going to expect some selling in copper market, taking this 432 as a resistance and 433 as a stop loss level, just because of some technical reasons. Because yesterday the market, copper market, should have dropped below this 428 just because of the rupee, which stayed above 51. So the market didn't drop and it held the market for a long time. So that is the reason yesterday the copper took the support around 428, not just because of the price movement in copper, but it was since it was supported by the Indian rupee. So that we today, what we suspect is that today we can go for selling till 432 and we can have 433 as a stop loss. This is what we are expecting in copper today, just which is we are trying to do something which is against the price opening and closing strategies, but it would be just because of some technical reasons. So what we are expecting today is that we are going to expect some selling till 432 and having 433 as a stop loss, and we are initially expecting a target of 428, and if the price is broken, if the 428 was broken, then it can drop down till 426. This is the zone we are expecting today, but clients are requested to closely monitor the support and resistance level very carefully. Only if a price is going breaking this 432, and if the price is staying above 432, then we can confirm there is still buying in copper market. We are looking at the technical outlooks in international pricing, and we suggest that today we are expecting copper to go down. But if the price is going today, if the Friday market, the price is going to close above this 432, then we can have 100% confirmation that copper is still good for buying. Till then, we are going to test today's copper market, taking a selling around till 432 and having 433 as a stop loss. This is what we are expecting in copper today. Let us see what's going to happen during the trading session. And thanks for watching our video. Take care. Goodbye.